Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I will tell you about how you can create your Google account in your this Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So you can just go to the sign in, and here it will show you can just verify that it's you. Then friends, you have to click on create account. After clicking on this, click on personal. Then here you can just simply write the name, click on next. Then you have to write date, month and year, and then you can just click on next. After that friends, you can just write any Gmail ID. So here you can just write anything. So here are the available ones, so you can see. Let's write here let's see if we can just so this is taken. You have to try it again and again. So if it is available, then click on next friends. Then you can just create the password. Then friends, you have to click on next after writing your password of your Gmail ID. Then click on next, and you can see now your Gmail ID is created successfully. So you can see friends, it is now loading. You can turn off this backup. Now simply click on accept. Now click on accept. So you can see your Gmail ID is created successfully. Here it is. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.